ice cream in the center. There's chocolate monstrosity.
Thank God we got the diet dessert.
The small, the half order. Happy birthday, this is your special day. Happy birthday, that's all we came to say. Happy birthday, may all your dreams come true. Happy birthday from this table to you.
You guys enjoy this. I mean, I'll never eat anything like this. This would be terrible for me. Yes, exactly. I mean, Dr. Linda could be watching this right now, and there's no way. Yeah, Ivy, this is all yours, clearly.